Hey everyone, back again with another video. So today we will go through our RACI matrix builder. So the purpose of this is to define and clarify roles and responsibilities for tasks and deliverables. So as you can see here, we have our builder guide, and then we also have a full guide if you want to go in here and just read it versus watching this video. It'll show you pretty much everything that I'll go through, and it'll show you how it looks when exported either as Word or exported as PDF. And you can read through these and how to utilize it. But as we go through the tool itself, there's two ways that you can approach this. So traditionally, a RACI, you'll just fill it out in Excel, and it'll help you identify who's responsible and who's accountable. And so here you can see an example of a sample project launch, and it'll have the actual activities or the tasks, and then the individuals that are involved. And then here you can see that you have the different letters in the RACI. So the responsible, accountable, and then you can select that for each. And you can select multiple for each as well. So this person can also be responsible, but you can only have one accountable, which is explained here as well. But it's just pretty much how you can go through that, and you can export this as Word or PDF. Now, what is really cool about this and where the value comes in is if you have a process that you have an image of, or you just have it laid out, the text, you can come in here and the AI will generate all of this for you. And it can get you started, saving you about 90% of the time. So if I want to say, create a RACI for my McDonald's team in the kitchen. So if I had an image, I could have inputted that as well, but we'll just do it with this. We'll say generate RACI matrix. It'll prompt you to save it so you don't lose your work. And as you can see here, the tasks have been created. So cooking food, taking orders, cleaning, prep work, managing inventory. Then you have crew members, shift manager, general manager, and you can add tasks or activities. So this is not removing from anything. Then you can come in here and see what has been prompted for you already. And you can come in here and adjust this if needed, but you can see it. They have the responsible, they have the accountable for each, and the informed and the consulted. So you can come in here and adjust this, but this just saves you so much time that you would have to go and go through this one by one. And if you need to adjust, you can just come in here and say, okay, no, I don't think this person should be informed, let's remove this. Okay, I don't think this person should be accountable, I think this person should be accountable. And then you can come in here and adjust that. So it makes it easy. You can come in here and save this. You can come in here and export as Word, or you can come in here and export as PDF if needed, and just be able to quickly do this and get to the real job that you need to do versus spending time on documentation.